How to eliminate joint pain naturally. Imagine this: you stand up from a chair, and that familiar, nagging pain shoots through your joints. Every movement feels like a challenge. But what if there was a fast solution to relieve your joint pain for years? Yes, you read that right, years. Joint pain often results from aging, past injuries, or chronic inflammation. However, there are simple, natural ways to restore joint health and reduce pain without expensive treatments. Why do joints hurt? Joints are cushioned by cartilage, which prevents bones from grinding together. As we age, this cartilage wears down, and the synovial fluid that lubricates joints thickens, making movement painful. Inflammation in the surrounding tissues can also cause discomfort. Your body can heal joints. The good news is your body can regenerate joint tissue. The secret to recovery lies in proper care, including diet, natural remedies, and movement. Steps to reduce joint pain naturally. 1. Eat fatty fish like salmon and sardines, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids to reduce joint inflammation. 2. Incorporate nuts and seeds into your diet for essential nutrients that enhance joint flexibility. 3. Add ginger and turmeric to your meals. Their anti-inflammatory properties can significantly ease joint pain. 4. Consume bone broth, which is rich in collagen to restore cartilage, improve flexibility, and reduce pain. Alternatively, use gelatin by mixing it with water and consuming it daily to strengthen connective tissues. 5. Engage in low-impact exercises such as swimming or walking to stimulate synovial fluid production and strengthen muscles around the joints, reducing pressure on them. 6. Apply pepper oil to sore joints. Capsaicin in red pepper blocks pain signals and boosts circulation. Take warm baths with sea salt to relax muscles, reduce inflammation, and improve mobility. You don't have to live with joint pain. Small changes in diet, regular movement, and simple remedies can provide lasting relief. Take charge of your joint health today and imagine a future free from pain.